morning, with the help of members of the public, we got very, very crucial information that there was a warehouse that was storing ethanol, and someone was coming to collect it. So we swung into action. The OCS was the first one to go there, and we were able to recover 810 liters of ethanol. It was packed in 20 liters jerry cans, which were 40, and one 10-liter jerry can. In Thone area, Kitengela Reserve. From the ethanol, we also got a roll of Kenya Revenue Authority stamps and bottle tops, specifically for chrome and Konyagi. It was a very, very successful operation. We have arrested one gentleman. One of the caretakers of the warehouse managed to escape in that process.
Number coming with the security concern. Anything when we get it, we normally raise through our security agents. That is why what we did today, it is the same. That alarm by calling the OCS and the county commissioner.
Ethanol imekuwa hii nyumba imekuwa suspicious all along because mwenyewe akai huko, lakini kuna mfanyikazi mmoja ambapo anakanga hapa. Hata unapoona hii nyumba ni kama hall, haina ati makazi mazuri pahali pa kukaa, lakini kuna mtu mmoja anaishi hapa, lakini tumekuwa tukimsuspect, lakini hawezi ruhusu sisi tuingie na hapa ndani. So wakati leo tumeweza kuintercept hiyo gari na tukakuja na wao, tukaweza kuingia ndani, ndio tumeona tumepata kama kuna pombe.
Na kuo goko ukongoreri wa mambura ma thigũkũ ya Easter ũgithiĩte na mbere na kũnyita theng'a